Okay, this would be our today's contents. That is total 12. Though research is very vast, but I try to concise it so that you can easily understand the whole phenomena of the research. That's why the first 7 components will be covered in our in the morning session, and evening session we will cover from 8 to 12. Here now I shall explain what is social science research, type of research, problem or issue of the study, theoretical or practical significance of the study, and literature review, and research gaps and conceptual framework. And rest I shall discuss at evening time. Suppose research design, quantitative, qualitative or mixed method design, population, sample size, sampling technique, data collection method, data analysis, and discussion and reporting of the findings. These are the, though it is very vast, but hopefully, inshallah, you will get the essence of the research from this, inshallah. So let's talk about what is research. Research is the systematic collection, analysis, and interpretation of data to answer a certain question or solve a problem. It is crucial to follow scientific steps when conducting one's research. If it is not coming from the scientific study, if it is not following the scientific recommendation or the rules, then the findings that that is coming, that will not consider as a knowledge, as a information in the area, in the research community. That's why this knowledge comes from the following of the scientific steps. So it is very necessary. And a creative research undertaken systematically to increase the stock of knowledge of humanity, culture, society, then human behavior, like this, and the use of the knowledge to devise new applications. Why do we research? So we want to make our day-to-day life very easy. That's why we do the research. We improve our we want to advance our knowledge to understand the world in better way. So that's why we do the research. And what is social science research? Actually, we have different science research, then different other research, astronomical research, or different other research. But what is social science research? Social science research is a method used by social scientists and researchers to learn about people and societies so that they can design products and services that cater to various needs of the people. Different socio-economic groups belonging to different parts of a country think differently. Various aspects of human behavior need to be addressed to understand their thoughts and feedback about the social world, which can be done using social research. One topic can trigger social research, a new feature, new market trend, or an upgrade in old technology. Actually, under the social science research, education, psychology, business, then anthropology, all are under social science research. Nowadays, the medical sciences, also some part of medical sciences which is not laboratory based, which is survey based and qualitative or interview based or observation based. So and even engineering management also coming under social science research, medical science also coming under social science research. So it is a very vast area. Social science, it includes the business, all the areas of business like finance, accounting, human resources, IT, all the areas it covers under social science research. There are many types of research, including this theoretical research, applied research, exploratory research, descriptive research, explanatory research, qualitative research, experimental research. In theoretical research, what happened here? We confirm the theory, or we extend the theory, or we develop the theory in theoretical research, and we want to advance the knowledge to understand the world in better way. So that's why this theoretical here we develop the theory as well, and confirm the theory and extend the theory. What is applied research? Applied research refers to scientific study and research that seeks to solve practical problems. That is called the applied research. Then it is sometimes we do the case study of an organization. If an organization suppose having problem of employee performance, employee productivity, they have problem of earning revenues, so they have the problem of sales declining. So for immediate immediate action, we do these kinds of applied research. Then exploratory research. Another type of research is exploratory research. Here a research is used to investigate a problem which is not clearly defined. It is conducted to have a better understanding of the existing problem, but will not provide inclusive results. And descriptive research, it is not like empirical or research. It is in descriptive way, the findings is being explained. It is like explanatory. So descriptive research is used to describe characteristics of a population or the phenomena being studied. It does not answer questions about how, when, why the characteristics occur. Rather, it addresses the what question. Then explanatory research, a method developed to investigate a phenomena that had not been studied before or had not been well explained previously in a proper way. Its main intention is to provide details about where to find a small amount of information. The qualitative research, it involves the collecting and analyzing non-numerical data. In quantitative research, we use the numerical data, but here we use the non-numerical data, the text data or observation or the secondary literature we take from there. The textual, normally the data comes from the text, and to understand concepts, opinions, and experiences. Quantitative research. Quantitative research means collecting and analyzing numerical data to describe the characteristics, find correlations, or test hypotheses. And experimental research, it is a scientific approach where it is laboratory based, or not only laboratory. If you have a control group and non-control group, then we observe what is the changes comes. So in experimental research is a scientific approach to research where one or more independent variables are manipulated and applied to one or more dependent variables to measure their effect on the latter. The effect of the independent variables on the dependent variables is usually observed and recorded over some time to aid researchers in drawing a reasonable conclusion regarding the relationship between these two variable types. this is we have more suppose fundamental research, then non-fundamental theoretical research. There are some other type of research as well.